Namaskar. Welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. If we look into the observed weather during past 24 hours, then yesterday the heavy rainfall was reported at one or two places over Tamil Nadu, and maximum 7 centimeter rainfall was reported in Tamil Nadu. In Kerala, maximum 6 centimeter rainfall was reported, and in other parts of the South Peninsular India, light to moderate rainfall at few places was reported. Yesterday, the thunderstorm was also reported over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And today morning, the shallow to moderate fog in isolated pockets was observed over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, East Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, East Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. If we look into today's main synoptic feature, today in the Arabian Sea, the yesterday's low pressure area over the southwest and west central Arabian Sea has become less marked today morning. However, the cyclonic circulation over the southwest and adjoining west central Arabian Sea still persists and extends up to 4.5 km above mean sea level. Because of that, there is a moderate to intense convection over some parts of southwest and adjoining west central Arabian Sea can be seen. In the Arabian Sea, a cyclonic circulation lies over the central parts of the South Bay of Bengal, which extends up to mid-tropospheric levels, and a trough is also running from this cyclonic circulation up to the interior Tamil Nadu across southwest Bay of Bengal in the lower tropospheric levels. Because of that, the moderate to intense convection over many parts of the southwest Bay of Bengal, South Tamil Nadu, North coastal Tamil Nadu, and South Kerala area can be seen. And because of this cyclonic circulation over the central parts of South Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area is likely to form over the southwest Bay of Bengal during next 24 hours, and this low pressure area is very likely to move towards the Sri Lanka and South Tamil Nadu coast in the subsequent days. And a trough is also running in the lower tropospheric level from the cyclonic circulation over Bay of Bengal up to the North Tamil Nadu. Because of that, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at a few places to many places over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam, South, Interior Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe, and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal during next 5 days. However, in the remaining parts of the peninsular India, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at isolated places. Because of the low pressure formation of low pressure area and its movement towards the coastal area of Tamil Nadu, there will be the heavy rainfall at isolated places very likely to continue over the Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and Kerala during next 5 days. Heavy rainfall will be over south coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema region during 25th, 26th and 27th of November, and very heavy rainfall at isolated places are also very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal during 25th to 27th of November, over south coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema on 27th of November. And there also will be the squally wind speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph also likely over southwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal along and off Tamil Nadu, South Andhra Pradesh coast and Gulf of Mannar on 26th and 27th of November. So the fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas during 26th and 27th of November. If you look into the temperature wise, there will be the gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over most parts of East India, most parts of West and Central India, and there will be the gradual rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over most parts of Northwest India during next 3 to 4 days, and there will be no significant change in minimum temperature over remaining parts of the country during next 4 to 5 days. If we look into the weather warning in the graphical form, since there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over the Tamil Nadu during next 5 days, over Kerala also during next 5 days, except on 24th of November, and on 25th, 26th, and 27th November, there will be the very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Tamil Nadu. So the orange color warning is given. And on 27th of November, the orange color warning is also given for the south coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema region because of the very heavy rainfall over that area. In addition to that, there also will be the dense fog in the morning hours of 24th and 25th of November over the Assam and Meghalaya and Tripura region. You can download the Mosam app, Damani and Megdut app. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information. Thank you.